What? 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 Oh yeah?
I've never flown a plane over England.
Right line, we've got Joe's flying the Viper. This is Joe Hampson, flying the same as the aircraft flown by Azure. These pilots, these aren't cheap aeroplanes, of course, but they're throwing them around like anybody would love to if they had them. 4-point rollies coming up. Here we go. Hazard Stevens with the Viper. 1, 2. But powerbox system and of course the new core radio. Is it the best radio you've ever used?
I think so.
You would say that?
Yes.
But it is a very, very good radio system, of course it is. And you're going to say one today, one tonight as well with the pilot?
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for checking in on this Bravo 303 video from Weston Park 2022. If you've got any questions about the model you've just seen, hit it in the comments below. If you like the video, hit the like, and if you want to see more from the show, hit the subscribe, and we'll see you soon.